Good morning everyone. So today I have a fabulous Rosa. I would say this is the luxury end. Now we are on lower sea of Camposol, an urbanisation on the Costa Calida down in Murcia region. We are 30 minutes drive from Calida Airport, Murcia International, about 20 minutes from local beaches. The birds are singing, it's a lovely day. So it's a bit overcast, right, but it's still a lovely day, and I'm so lucky to be able to present to you this beautiful home. So this is the property that we're looking at today. You've the countryside just up there, and that is the other end of the road. Now this gate is just comes straight across. Very decorative as well. This brings you into a very established garden with plants and trees. You have a cover here for your car, and let me take you around this beautiful home. So up the stairs, I'll take you upstairs first before I show you inside. There's a real treat to show you inside. Now we are up here on the rooftop solarium. The roof is being sealed. There is an umbrella there, so you can have your lounges. You have a lovely area for barbecue here. So I just thought I'd give you an idea, and you've got the beautiful countryside over there. So I thought I'll come up here and get this out of the way first. The roof is all sealed, it's all painted, it's pristine, this property. Let me take you into the main house. Now at the bottom of the steps there is an overhead light there, and just here is an insect screen door. So I'll just open that up first. So you can have the main door open during the summer and let the breezes through. You have a door on either end of the conservatory here, and this is really lovely. Absolutely stunning property. So as you can see, you've got flooring just here, all new. It's a beautiful home and lovely blinds. I'm just going to bring you down this end. Now this end leads out into the garden, and again just at that door you've got another insect screen door as well. That leads to the pool area and the pergola. I'll show you that later. But this house is amazing. You have aircon in here as well, so if it gets too warm you just put the aircon on. Okay, so let me take you inside. You have overhead lighting there. You've got all the mod cons in this property, I've got to say. Now we step inside this beautiful home. Just shut the door behind me. And as you can see, modern lights, aircon, and just behind the sofas on either side of the windows you have radiators. I'll just show you there at the back of the sofas. So it's a dual aspect windows, and you have electric decorative fireplace there with built-in cupboards. I'm going to take it at a different angle to show you, just so you get a feel for the room. Really lovely. Of course, just down there is your archway to your dining area. And then here in your dining area you've got central heating as well. There is central heating and aircon throughout, as well as double glazing. So this is a very high-end property. You have built-in cupboards there with granite worktops, as you can see. And through the archway you've got this fabulous kitchen. Now the kitchen's very high-end as well, as is the whole house. So you've got modern lighting, you've got electric hob, electric oven, you've got your hood extractor, you've got granite splashbacks, Really lovely. The fridge is integrated, and you've got all these lovely cupboards and drawers. These drawers come out when you push them back. Really nice and easy. Really lovely property. So through here you have got radiators, got all modern doors. Just going to take you in here. So you've got your double glazing window there, your shutters, and you have insect blinds. Now the blinds are the ones that come down, they pull down. You have aircon and your modern lighting. And if I come around, you have got your freestanding wardrobe. Okay. So I'm going to take you in to the bathroom now. Now all through here is the original flooring, as you can see. But through here, the flooring changes to this wonderful marble flooring. Very modern sink and vanity unit, WC and shower unit. You've also got a heated towel rail there. All done in black and this beautiful marble, and you've got a frosted glass window there. Just going to pan around to show you got storage. I stand over here, give you a better view of the room through the shower glass. Really nice. Totally upgraded, and it's got spotlights. So you've also got your shaving socket just above there as well. So I'm going to take you into the master bedroom now. In here you have fitted wardrobes. You have your aircon and your modern light and fan there. You have your central heating and of course your double glazed windows. And this looks over the pool area. You've also got your insect screens there as well. Lovely area to sit. Just pan around. Really lovely. So beautiful home. So let me take you into the ensuite. And again, all the internal doors have been done. And this is the ensuite. It's really beautiful. You've got a black sink with gold faucet and towel rail. You've got your black WC and black towel rail. Got storage just there, shelves. This is the shower with, sorry the light is playing up on my camera there. Just give you an idea. And you've got your frosted glass window. Just going to pan around for you, give you an idea. And you've got some storage just there as well. Really beautiful. And again, got new flooring in here as well. So I'm quite excited. I'm going to show you around the garden area. So we come back in, beautiful kitchen, every woman's dream. Lovely, lovely living space. And we'll just go out here and around. I won't go out that door, I'll walk around so you can get a good feel of the outside space. Now this driveway will take one car. You could always, if you have 2 cars, you could always expand the driveway area. Here you have your pergola and lovely area for sitting and enjoying a glass of wine or some outside dining, having lunch here by the pool in the summer. Really beautiful. So isn't that beautiful? And of course you got all the drainage there. This house has been brought up to top end spec. Really beautiful. You hear the beautiful birds. You've also got lighting around the pool area. Got a pan around and give you another view. So I'm just going to take you down here through this area. Now this is where you keep your sheds. You have your shower area. Got lovely steps here with terracotta steps and lovely balustrade. Now just here is your shower area. It's an outside shower obviously, and you have your underbuild. Your underbuild just has your tank and your pump for your pool in there. You have a storage shed. Got a water point just here. Some fruit trees. More lighting on the walls, and if you notice, everything is raised for privacy. Got more storage here. And just here, where it brings you to the front of the house, you got more storage shed. Now just in here, you've got your water point just there. And just in here, you got your washing machine, plenty of plug sockets, and a spare fridge freezer. Plenty of shelving. Just shut that. And just in here, we just got a storage. So there's plenty of storage in this property. And then we're back to the front of this wonderful home again. So what do you think of this property? This is really luxury end. There is nothing that you need to do to this property unless you want to change the flooring, the original flooring which is going through the house, except for those bathrooms. But this house is pristine, really top end. So if you are interested, I will leave the reference of this property in the title of the video. So do contact info@lettoseltobuy.com if you want to view, and check out all the agent's details and the website in the description box below. So until the next time, bye from us and the team at lettoseltobuy.com. See you guys.